how do you define rate of pump? The rate of pump is your design conditions, okay? If I need 189 cubic meters per hour, it is the rated flow that I need to my pump. And at this flow, I need the rated head that we calculated this in this live session. So it is the rated conditions. But the supplier builds a series of pumps and for for standard conditions. And you need to choose a pump from the supplier that is best fits to your process. You must, especially in small pumps, the supplier will not design a specific pump to your needs. You need to go to the market and choose the one that's closer to your needs.